Hey everybody, it's Gary here. Today we're going to do a easy walkthrough on one of the apps in the AI Wellness universe. I think let's do the 4-week personal fitness plan. How about that one? That's one of my favorites. This one's pretty cool. So check this out. Personalized 4-week fitness plan, for example. Put your name in. Oops. Gary. Main goal. Building muscle, weight loss, endurance, general health. Let's go with, I like to do building muscle. Age, 54. Gender, male. Pretty straightforward, easy. And then, preferred ways to exercise. So here you go, you got multiple choices here. Body weight exercises only, gym exercises, yoga moves and stretches, cardio only, tai chi, functional fitness, plenty of different things there. We'll do body weight, and so I'll be doing this at home. Preferred intensity, let's go with medium. Body weight, let's go with 180. Height, 6. Oops, 6 foot. Let's generate results. So look at this, less than 40 seconds. See what we get. I love all the different options here. You can pretty much tailor this to whatever you're trying to achieve goal-wise, and gives you plenty of options to work with. So it's pretty amazing. I've done this before. I've done a few different 4-week plans, and it works really well. Look at this, week 1, upper body strength, lower body strength, gives you different exercises to do. Day 3 gets you through, so 3 days a week. That's pretty average there. You want to do at least 3 days a week minimum. I usually do a little more than that. Even on off days, I'll still go hiking or do some kind of activity just to keep the movement going. Week 2, and they kind of intensify as the weeks go on. As you can see, it adds a little more exercises. Here you can use some small weights all the way through week 4. Nutritional tips. This gives you quite a bit. I mean, this is so amazing. You can use this for yourself or for clients, and it'll give you a customized workout plan for each and every person that you're working with, and it's pretty amazing and pretty simple. Hope that helps. See you guys next time. Take care.